Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this spicy green chili pickle. So this green chili pickle, you can use it to make fish, to make some sauce like tamarind sauce, and you can use it to eat along with some food. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 large slice of onion, some green chilies, some salt, a half a cup of lime juice or you can use some lemon juice, and lastly 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each. So the first step, make sure you've washed your green chilies. Then afterwards, cut the stem and place the green chilies into the blender. Once you're done cutting the stem of the green chilies, afterwards you're going to add 1 slice of onion. I've used white onion, but you can also use the red onion. Afterwards, you're going to pour a half a cup of lime juice or you can use some lemon juice. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. You can add more or you can reduce, that's up to you. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each. Then cover the blender and blend till everything is nicely blended. After approximately 3 minutes, your green chilies are nicely blended as you can see in the video. At this point, you can able to test if you'll need more lemon or lime juice or some salt, that's up to you, and your green chili pickle is ready. Place your green chili pickle in a glass jar container and place it in the fridge, and it can last for approximately 3 months. This green chili pickle is so tasty. You can use it to make some tamarind sauce, to marinate your fish, or you can use it to eat along with any food and enjoy your pickle. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.